In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to freeze panes in Smartsheet, step by step, so you can keep important columns visible while you scroll through large sheets. This is extremely useful when you're working with project plans, task lists, or any sheet with lots of columns and data. Freezing panes helps you stay organized and prevents mistakes because key information stays locked in place. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet, then navigate to the sheet where you want to freeze columns. Make sure the sheet is opened in grid view, because freezing panes works in this view. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to identify which column you want to keep visible while scrolling. This is usually something like a task name, ID, or primary reference column. Next, click once on the column header to select it. You'll know it's selected when the entire column is highlighted. After selecting the column, right-click directly on the column header. This will open a context menu with several options related to that column. In the menu, look for the option labeled Freeze Column. Go ahead and click on Freeze Column. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will lock that column in place. Now, to confirm that it worked, scroll horizontally across your sheet using the scroll bar at the bottom. You'll notice that the frozen column stays visible while the rest of the columns move. This makes it much easier to compare data and keep track of important information as you work. If you want to freeze multiple columns, simply select the column furthest to the right that you want frozen, right-click it, and choose Freeze Column again. Smartsheet will freeze all columns to the left of that selected column. This is perfect for complex sheets where you need several reference columns visible at all times. If at any point you want to unfreeze columns, just right-click on any frozen column and select Unfreeze Columns from the menu. That will return your sheet to its normal scrolling behavior. Freezing panes is a small feature, but it can make a huge difference in productivity, especially when you're managing large data sets or collaborating with a team. And that's it. You now know how to freeze panes in Smartsheet quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.